Hi guys, I have my glasses on so I can read my notes because I made some notes. Just a real quick comment about the discussion forum. First of all, I am going to, well, I read every one of your posts. I check them for accuracy, but I won't always respond or correct them. I'm hoping that as you read each other's posts, if you find a mistake, that you'll take the time to correct those mistakes. In my class, my philosophy of learning is that there are no um, mistakes. There are only opportunities for learning. If you make a mistake and you learn from that mistake, then it was a great mistake. On the other hand, if you make a mistake and you didn't learn from that mistake, it was a horrible mistake. I'm afraid that many of you in class have not had the opportunity to learn from your mistakes because um, of the methods that your teachers used to teach you mathematics. It was either right or wrong, and then you were done. But in here, we're going to learn from our mistakes, and the discussion posts are a place where you can learn from them. So when you make a mistake, hopefully one of your peers will catch that, or I'll catch that, and I will post the correct answer, or I'll help you figure out what you did wrong, and then you can learn from it. Um, that being said, I would encourage you to check back during the week to your own post to see if people have responded to it, either myself or one of your classmates, because that's how you're going to learn from your mistakes. Uh, so, have a great day. Keep posting. Your posts look great. Everyone's doing a great job. Thank you so much. If you're having challenges, please contact me. I'm more than happy to help. Talk to you later.